So, good evening everyone. So, special good evening. So, for topic tonight, so about uh, the role of thirds. So, fundamental photography composition to enhance balance and interest. So, sa role of the thirds is kinahanglan is so na kay uh, sa as a photography is kailangan is na kay composition or enhance balance. So kinahanglan enhance nimo ang kanang balance nimo sa pag photography. So next is what is the role of thirds? So we have three types of thirds. First is basic concept. So divide image into three equal parts horizontally and vertically. So sa basic concept of role of third is naay lahi-lahi nga medyo horizontally and vertically. So sa visual flow, so leads viewers eye naturally across the frame. So sa grid lines, so for intersection point guide key subject replacement. Next is why use the role of third? So sabot, so nganong gamiton man ang pagmagis sa role of third? So first is spark interest, create a feeling instead of static image. So second is enhance focus, makes photo more engaging and dami. So moni ang roles of thirds is kinahanglan enhance og focus. So the key points of place in grid. So first is subject. So second is horizon. So third is leading lines. So fourth is balance elements. So subject places primary subject on the intersection points. So horizon, so align horizon along top or bottom third line. So leading lines, so follow grid lines to lead viewers eye. So balance elements, so place secondary elements is a point third. So we have example in different photography genres. So we have three example of different photography. So first is landscape. So landscape is familiar to photography, so our students. So landscape is horizon and lower or upper thirds and focal points on intersection. So portrait, so eye align with top third and subject of center for natural look. So sa portrait is kanang sa so gipokus na nga niya is ang central lang. So ang background ana is kanang di kay siya maglaro sumon ang sa portrait. So urban, so architectural lines on vertical threads, so key details of intersection. So when to break the role, so we have three when break the role. So first is strong symmetry, the center subject for balance impact. So second is minimalist composition, so focus on insolate subject in center. So third is creative expression, so used for specific emotional or narrative effects. So next is practical tips of applying it. So mo ni ang i-apply. So mga practical nga i-apply ani. So first is enable grid. So use camera or phone grid overlays. So second is visualize subject placement. So position main elements around intersection. So adjust composition. So try multiple angle and crops balance. So we have summary about the role of thirds. So we have 4. So first is understand and practice, experiments or review. So this is the summary of the role of thirds and next step. So understand, learn grade basic benefits. So practice, so use grade in various photo styles. So experiment, so break roles truthfully for impact. So fourth is review. So analyze your shots for improvement. So thank you ma'am, that's all. Thank you.